I'm using this nice flanger. We'll create a sweeping sound, which is originally was made with the flange of tape machines and changing the speed of those tape machines. With two tape machines playing the same sound through, and combining those two sounds with changing the speed of each machine alternatively, creates a sweeping effect of comb filtering. We go back to the comb filtering here. So let's listen to this on Sia's vocal here. So you can see on this particular playing, we see a speed of the sweeping that can be changed, I believe, with the rate button here.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call. Phone's blowing up. Bring on my doorbell. I feel the love. I feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drink. 1, 2.
Right? So you can hear that sweeping of the filtering that kind of goes up and down in frequency slowly. So if we change the rate here and start it to go faster.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
We go back a bit to that robotic doubling.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Now when we go, you see our rate is written here. When we go below 1 hertz, really below, we have a nice slower sweep.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.
Once again, we can try to synchronize that rate with the tempo. And so we can make that sweep, kind of sweep over a whole, a couple of bars or 1 bar or something like that. But that's the sound of the flanger. It's pretty cool.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything.
It works better on sustaining sound. Let's listen to it on the male vocalist.
It burns, it pains me. I ease it in my veins, B. 'Cause all it does is never ever flow.
Doesn't work as well for this part. Pretty sure I had it on. Okay, let's listen to it on the guitar. That should be pretty interesting. Hey, it's very cool, a very cool effect, I think, the flanger. Let's listen to it again on just the end of that note here. Now you see if I slow down the rate. I'll make it faster. Now this is not really the flanger effect that we like. That a lot of people like. When they mention a flanger, they want that slow sweep that kind of feels like an airplane or a spaceship kind of swirling above you. Right? Now on a snare drum, this might not be the best effect on the snare drum. Although you hear the effect, but you kind of catch You kind of catch the wave of the flanger here, of the sweep, at different spots that are kind of like little moment in time of that sweeping effect, which now on a whole drum kit, sometimes it's more interesting.
It burns, it pains me. I ease it in my veins, B. 'Cause all it does is never ever flow at night.
All right, that was our flanger.